Hi guys, it's Yani here. Today's video, we will try to make Tortang Talong because I've been craving it, and being in Canada, I always say this, there's not a lot of Filipino food option unless you cook it. So I've been craving it. I haven't had it in forever, in so long. So I had my oven preheated already. I went to the grocery store, I bought the real talong because the talong that I got before are the big ones, like the American versions. They're so thick. Let's try it. This is my first time I've been craving it and I want to try it. So, oh, by the way, I googled the recipe from Panlasang Pinoy. It's very straightforward. It's very easy. The only thing is, Panlasang Pinoy recommended to toast the talong on a stovetop with fire. I don't have stovetop with fire, so that's why I have my oven heated up so that it's gonna crisp up the skin so we can remove the skin. Let's try if that will work. If not, then it's gonna be interesting.
One love, y'all. Cause we're together, united, baby, under one roof. Come on, in a house of sound. One love.
So pretty much what I'm doing here is I'm preparing lunch because gutom na gutom besh, wala akong breakfast, wala akong lunch. By the way, if you're asking, Fabio's not here because he went to Prague. So I am all alone for 1 week. So now I also have sausage for my lunch. I also have bok choy and cauliflower steaming for vegetables, and then I have rice in my fridge already. So yes, I hope this is gonna be successful because I'm so hungry. So in the meantime, let's go ahead prepare our egg mixture. It's very simple. It's just like an omelet. So like, guys, looks like it's working. Looks like it's toasting it. So I'm just gonna flip it so the other side will toast too. Okay guys, so I think my talong is done. Okay, so now it's time to cool down so we can remove the skin later. I think I baked it for way too long, but we'll see. Oh, it's not bad. It's perfect. Am I doing this right? Okay guys, so my pan has oil in it. It's preheating. I am gonna dip the eggplant into the egg mixture and then we'll see. Wow! Ang ganda! And ayan na guys. So ready na ang ating tortang talong. First time. It's not bad. I put a little bit way too much egg, but it's okay. So let's eat. Let's do a taste test. I'm not gonna do a whole mukbang, but so I have tortang talong here. Oh, it tastes so good. It tastes just like childhood. I have tortang talong, some vegetable because I'm craving vegetables. So I have bok choy and steamed cauliflower. And Italian sausage. Yan. And of course rice and soy sauce for dipping sauce. So let's go. I'm excited. It's been so long, you guys. I'm not gonna do a full mukbang of this, but I just been craving. I don't know what it is. Wherever you're from the world. Wherever you're from in the world. Oh my god. Wherever you're from in the world, you're still craving Filipino food talaga. So good. I'm so hungry, guys. So today, wala lang tayong ganap. Nasa bahay lang. I'm planning to film 3 videos today. 1 for our travel channel. Go follow it if you haven't yet. And 1 for this channel as well. So stay tuned for that video. We're traveling the world next year for a year next year. I keep on saying that. But please go ahead, support our travel channel. We have 2 separate channels now. 1 for travel and this one. Nothing will happen to this channel, but still, we're still gonna be uploading. It tastes so good. It's the perfect amount of saltiness. Kikuman soy sauce lang to, guys. My God. Masarap pag madami yung eggs, guys. Oh, craving satisfied. You know what? After my gym, I was planning sana na eat out na lang, mag-order in na lang kasi I was so hungry. But good thing I didn't, and I really tried cooking this because it's so worth it. Sometimes eating out is nothing compares to eating at home, home cooked meal, Filipino food. So, where is Fabio? Fabio is in Italy. Oh no. Fabio is in Prague. Not Prague. Prague. He's in Prague. He has a work there, a dance competition for his work. I haven't made my bed. Sorry. So when Fabio left, I cleaned the house right away because I know it was too dirty and I want him to come home to a nice house. He's only gone for 1 week. I love bok choy. Usually I steam the bok choy, or usually I pan fry it. Olive oil, onion, and soy sauce. That's it. Just stir fry it. It's very, very good. But this time I decided to steam it. We haven't tried the sausage yet. It's so good. I was gonna dip it, but no, because this is salty already. Okay. He's messaging me. Maybe I'll let Fabio try this. Sarap. Sarap talaga. By the way, guys, I love cooking, but I've never really tried cooking Filipino food before until I have cravings like this. So for example, my craving right now is the Tortang Talong. So I make the effort to learn how to cook it. But other than that, I like cooking other culture food. I've been obsessed with paella. That was my first dish. And then some European cuisine, French. But now and then I did Indian cuisine. But now I'm obsessed with Thai food. So I'm cooking a lot of Thai food right now, like red Thai chicken curry. Oh my god, with coconut. Oh my god, it's so good. I said I wasn't gonna do a whole mukbang, but it's a whole mukbang. You know, sometimes YouTube is just, it's a therapy. Sometimes it's very therapeutic. I work from home a lot, so sometimes I am alone. But because of YouTube, because of you guys, I don't feel alone. As weird as it may sound, because I'm talking to the camera right now, literally. But it's like a therapy. You know how when you go, sorry, you know how when you do some of those therapy, like they're being told by the therapist, like you should talk in the mirror, or not in the mirror, but like talk in the camera. It actually helps. Vlogging helps. I'm not saying I'm sad or anything. It's nice to get a break from Fabio. No. It's nice to get a break from each other. Any relationship, any couple. Not break, but like separate. Doing your own things. Not all the time you have to do your own thing. The same things. Craving satisfied. I'm the happiest right now. Eat your vegetable. Do you guys watch Ati Charing? Comment below if you watch Ati Charing. Those are the two mukbangers from the Philippines that I watch all the time. Is Inday Kab Kab and Ati Charing. I fell in love with Inday. I stumbled on Inday Kab Kab YouTube, and I fell in love with her when she was still in Middle East, working as an OFW. I think I first watched her in an unan, nilagang isda mukbang video first. So good. Padami kain natin, guys. May isa pang Tortang Talong, pero I'm saving that for later because I'm not eating that anymore. I'm pretty full right now. Maybe just a piece, because you know how when it's freshly cooked and it's like crispy a little bit, I like that. So guys, please comment below if where you are from in the world. Fabio and I would like to meet you when we're traveling next year. Still can't believe it, we're doing it. My parents right now are in Chicago. I'm into Chicago. So good. Nakatulala. I'm full already. I don't eat a lot kasi. So, konting kain lang, full na agad. Training kasi yun sa stomach din. So now my stomach is used to eating less. So good. Done. That's it for this video, guys. Pasensya na kung I'm not very energetic. I'm so tired from last night. I went out kasi dancing. But thank you for watching. If you made it this far, comment below. I'm curious who you guys are who always watch it till the end of the video. Yeah, not all the time. YouTubers need to be energetic, right? We all have our downtimes. Just relax. Nakakapagod naman kasi pag everyday tawa ng tawa. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Fabio's back next week. See you next time. Bye!